Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Rakhi. So I have already cut a 5 by 5 centimeter square here. You can also cut two 4 by 4 centimeter squares. I've made it alternate, so it's like orange, yellow, and another orange. Let's start. We're going to take our big piece of square and fold it into a triangle. I'm just gonna make mine equal here. Right, so we have our crease there. We're gonna make another one. So fold it into the opposite way triangle that you have. Next, turn your diamond into a square and fold it in half. Make this crease strong. It will come in handy later. Fold it in the other half. And now we're going to take these two over here in our triangle. You can take any alternate and just gonna fold it inward. Other two so that it becomes a square. In our square, you will see that there's a side that's closed. We're gonna take that side and draw a heart. Next, we're gonna cut the heart, but cutting is very specific. You should not cut the bottom part. You should only cut from the top. So if you're cutting, then you must start cutting from up here. Open it and you'll see that you've got a lovely flower design. Do this on the other two. So as you can see here, I've cut out 3 of my flowers, and I've also cut out a type of shape here just to hold the ribbon. Now we're gonna start. Take your Fevicol, take the biggest flower and just put some Fevicol in the middle. Take the next color, don't take the same color, and just tilt it a bit. Do that with the same and the next one. I'm gonna take type of a star flower over here. Just put some Fevicol on top. This is just for some traction. I'm also gonna take 4 beads here. I'm sure your brothers will love this. And happy Rakhi. just gonna see the half of our ribbon and we're just gonna mark it. So I know where my center is, so I'm gonna flip mine and I'm just gonna find the center and I'm gonna just put some glue here. And as you can see, there's already a center point here. So all we need to do is just take this and put that there. The circle shape that you had cut, just put some glue on that. This is to secure the flower to the ribbon. And your Rakhi is ready. Thank you for watching. Isn't it gorgeous? Bye.